Hello Unique people, welcome to Unique Makeovers DIYs. Yeah, we want to bake some muffins today. This is what we're gonna bake, such a muffin. Yeah, so we decided to use ready-made flour. Got this, that's how it looks, and it had 8 cups flour and some baking chips, not chocolate chips here, but also we'll need 2 eggs, milk, and melted margarine. Yeah, so we have been given the process here where you're told you first of all preheat the oven at 75 or rather 180 degrees. Then grease the bottom of the muffin cups with the butter and that. Then add contents of the bag mixed with egg, 1 big girl or 2 small eggs, milk, that is 2.5 cups, and mix. Then the next process, mix all with the electrical mixer for 2 minutes at low speed, then 4-5 minutes at high speed until mixture is homogeneous, and add some chocolate chips. Then pour the mixture into the muffin cups and add other chocolate chips. Bake in preheated oven for 25 to 28 minutes on the middle shelf. Bake until a knife insert into the center comes out clean. Let it cool and serve. So that is the process. Yeah, we hope to achieve such. So let's start with the mixing of the flour, chocolate chips, eggs, egg, milk, and margarine. So we're going to use the process as per the process I read for you, given on the carton. So we'll start by greasing the muffin cups. So that's what's happening. There are 8 cups, so we are thinking the flour, or rather the flour, will be enough for the 8 muffins. Yeah, we'll have hoped or desired that it has more. But let's see the outcome. So the flour is 450 grams, as you can see. Focus, yes, 450 grams. And again, these are the ingredients. We need 1 big egg or 2 small eggs, milk 135 ml, and oil 135 ml, which we already have here. So we put the eggs on the bowl, mixing bowl, the 2 eggs. Those are the 2 eggs. Then we're going to add all. So the oil needed is 2/3 cup. That is the measure. 2/3 cup. 2 of them. That is enough. Then you can put that aside. So we're going to connect the mixer. So we're mixing the oil and the eggs. Once the mixture is ready of oil and egg, you can add the flour. Flour has a mixture of all the others. It can be baking powder, it can have sugar in it, and the flour, so it's ready. So after this one is ready, we're going to add the others. So we now want to add milk. So 2 cups of 2/3. That is a 2/3 cup, so 2 of them. There we go. Then we mix, then add the flour. Weke hiyo side ingine. Yeah. So we are adding the flour. It's ready. As we mix, little by little. And you are supposed to add it together with the chips. A few chips. With the mixture. Oh. So that's all, the flour. Are you not using the electric?
You just avoid
manual
flour from
I'm not a fan of chocolate stuff, but this one I'll have to eat the chocolate muffin. I'm a fan of chocolate stuff. Mwenye yako contribute akili. Mwenye yako contribute akili. So now we add the chocolate chips. There we are adding the chocolate chips. Then we leave some for the when you put the dough on the cup. Oh, that is enough. So we can now put the dough on the piping bag. You're going to use the piping bag. Bring the piping bag. So we are putting the dough on the piping bag. Then we can put it on the muffin cups. Shikilia hapa. Joy.
and leave no one behind.
Tatuachi kila kitu inatoka. Kula tena kutolea. Achia mama. Ensure you scoop everything. No wastage in Kenya. Scoop. Ahora itaga tumia cara.
Tumie. Alafu utoe kwa nini kwanza?
Niweke hapo.
Niweke hapa.
Utumie kidole neno.
Cha kwanza niweke. Time to add dough on the muffin what? Cups. There's no systematic way of piping. Remember we had 8 cups. So we're hoping the dough will be enough for the 8 cups. Second last one. Hey, it's more. You want to tell me the dough is more? So you can add, but if we can have another cup, must we use those?
No.
So we added the remaining chocolate chips on top of the muffin. Oh, on top of the dough. Yeah, so we are awaiting the oven to heat, then we can put it up in the oven. Yeah. So stay with us and let's see the final results. Stay with us, stay with us, stay with us. We're gonna enjoy some muffin. We're gonna enjoy some muffin. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy some muffins. Our muffins are ready. They're there. Look at that.
5 to 6.
Yeah, that's all. And products. Yeah, you're going to enjoy them now. That's the end product. Yeah.